Hello, and welcome for my recap of today, June 26. So today I traded UAL, United Airlines, same as yesterday, because I like the way I have it moving, and the pre-market action was okay. So I had my level set. Now watch the movement in the first minute. So I waited for the first minute to finish, and it finished uh, a green candle. The second candle was also making some green pressure below VWAP. So I was watching closely VWAP to see what was, um, if it was rejecting or not. Uh, yes, it got rejected, and I entered there for maybe a 1 minute or a VWAP rejection. So I entered, I set my stop loss above VWAP. It was like 30, 30 cents, 20 cents. So um, when I was watching the price action move, I saw that it was moving, that the first candle was actually a big doji or a big hammer. So I said, oh, maybe it will not be such a good idea to go short. So I decided to take my first profit in that point. Um, Once it reached the low of the day, I took the second profit. It was all of them were 50%. And I was only left with one share because it was a very small share size, and I took it at the level. So it was a very good trade. So I said, okay, let's wait to see what happens and see if I can get another entry very close to VWAP. So the market started to bounce a little bit back to, there was some buying pressure, and eventually the stock price went closer to VWAP. So I was watching it and waiting patiently because my first trade has already been good and I was now under pressure to make a new entry. So there I saw that it was also a touch to VWAP. It was rejecting it. Now I saw that it was getting above VWAP, closing above. So I was watching closely. As soon as I saw that it was rejected VWAP and it made a new, it took the body of the previous candle, I decided to enter short with the stop loss above the high of the candle, the previous of the current candle. So because this one was a 30-cent risk, I needed to move it more so I can have the one-to-one risk to reward at least. So maybe it was going to try to exit to the low of the day. So as soon as it was going to the low of the day, I took my first profit. It was like 50%. Then when it finally reached the low of the day, I took the other part, and I had only one share left. So I decided to take it all out. Maybe it was a very premature exit. I should have waited to see what was going on, or waited for a new 1 minute low, a high. Sorry for this moment. So I would have taken it there. But it was a very good trade for me. Eventually, this stock fell a lot more. I didn't record more of the session, but it eventually hit very low. So I left some money on the table. That's no problem for me. I took the profits very good, and it was a great trading. Maybe I need to work a little bit more for the risk management, so I don't take my trades more like 1-to-1, and maybe let it flow a little bit more for 2-to-1, 3-to-1 maybe. So I think that's something that I need to improve. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend and stay safe. Cheers.